Hollandaise sauce is my carnivore secret. A lot of people on a low-carb diet want to know, how do I make sure I'm getting enough fat? How do I make meat taste more delicious? How do I cope without sauce? Well, you don't have to. You just need to make your own Hollandaise sauce. A decent batch requires 5 egg yolks and 4 ounces of butter. Brown butter for best flavor. I'll put a link in the description if you need a how-to on brown butter. I think the easiest way to separate eggs is just to break them all into a bowl and scoop out the yolks. So let's do that. You don't have to be perfect with this process. It's okay to have a little egg white in the hollandaise jar, and it's okay if you accidentally break a yolk, because we're going to use these leftover whites for egg white wraps, and if there's a yolk in there, it only makes it more delicious. Just use your bare hands to scoop out those yolks. It ain't no thing. Oop, drop that one. We'll set these whites aside for egg white wraps. Video to come. Now we just need to add a tablespoon of lemon juice, or if you don't have any on hand, a little less than a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar since it's a little more acidic. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or a little more if you can stand it. People on a low-carb diet need a little more salt, and this is a great way to sneak some in. A shake or two of cayenne. Just measure with your heart. And maybe a little squeeze of Dijon mustard just to help it set. Now you want to take your emulsifying blender, and if you have a detachable head, just put the head in there and sort of cover and protect the yolks while you pour in your brown butter, which should be still kind of warm. Not so warm that you can't stick your finger in it, but a little warmer than room temperature. Give it a swirl first and make sure you get all those delicious brown milk solids that sink to the bottom. That's where the flavor's at. Once that's all in there, attach the blender motor and blend slowly from the bottom up. Don't lift it from the bottom until you see it get kind of creamy, and even then, just lift one corner. Maybe move it in a circular motion to incorporate all the butter. I'm the only one who's going to eat this batch, so I'll just wipe it off with my fingers. Delicious. And there you have it. A thick and rich, salty sauce to put on just about anything. Rich in omega-3s and phytonutrients.